Onyx is patiently waiting to get their Ethereum moment from the new Goliath Testnet. And if you don't know what that is, stay tuned. I will break it down for you. Hey guys, Foxy's Trading here, back with another crypto video for you guys. And we are back talking about Onyx. Last time I talked about Onyx, you guys gave me an overwhelming amount of support saying you want more Onyx coins and market structure, breakdowns, all that good stuff. So that is what I'm going to do for you guys. And they have been constantly talking about the Goliath Testnet. And I have talked about it briefly in a video maybe 3 weeks ago, but because they are constantly talking about it, I feel like I need to really get across what it is and what it does and why it is important for Onyx holders. So as we know, Onyx is a project building infrastructure for the financial institution, right? So their token XCN is used for governance, staking, and transactions, but they're trying to rebuild and create something new with the Goliath Testnet, which is what we have here. Okay, so what is the Goliath Testnet? The Goliath Testnet is Onyx's new layer 1 network built for speed and scalability. From what I remember, I think they are aiming for around 20,000 transactions per second, 24,000, something along that line. So they're trying to be extremely fast. And the testnet is, or the mainnet is supposed to come out in Q1 of 2026, right? And we have the testnet now. It is to basically test out the features and the bugs and get everything sorted before the main release. And achieving 24,000, it's not gonna be easy. It really is not. But if they do it, then they could have their moment. And when I was talking about that Ethereum moment, Ethereum went from a token to a blockchain. It had that spark. So if they can perfect this, they are hoping to get that spark. And once that spark happens, everything starts stacking on each other and it just grows an insane amount. So Q1 of 2026 for Onyx holders, it will be a very important and a very interesting month to see if there's going to be any delays. How are they going to release this main net? Okay. Now, what else is Onyx doing? Well, we have Zealy. I don't know if any of you guys are participating in Zealy, but it is a little partnership that Onyx has done. Okay, so Zealy is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, Web3 community building platforms. Okay, so Zealy has launched quests where us, the users, can do things like social tasks. I think there's create some short videos, content, things like that. Basically trying to grow the community, and you get paid out through XCN tokens. Okay, so if you are part of XCN, I don't see any reason for you not to be doing this. Participate in it. It is every single month. If you look at their Twitter, you can see this month's Zealy campaign has now ended and prizes will be distributed this coming weekend. Ready for a new month of rewards and competition coming soon. So be prepared. When the next Zealy campaign is out, I will of course update you guys on that so you don't miss out. That is what I am here for. Okay, so we're going to break down market structure in just a second. Looking at coin market cap, as we always do, up weekly, down slightly in market cap, barely change in volume, 86% bullish, looking very strong. Let's get it to 90, even stronger. Obviously, we are still waiting on many big exchanges. Once we get on there, once there's some news about it, it will bring it to the next level even more. So looking at market structure, the last time I talked about it, I said that there is this liquidity zone that we want to sweep, right? And it does not look, no, absolutely not. We did not sweep it whatsoever, right? You can see how far we have been off. So I think what price is going to do is something like this. We are going to sweep it, possibly sweep it one more time because we know there are breakouts. Maybe look for the equilibrium, which is the equal or the middle part of this fair value gap, this imbalance in price, and then start pushing to the upside, right? So I think a little bit lower in this area is a fantastic buying opportunity. All things here say buy, buy, buy. If you believe in the project and you think it is going to go back to these highs, I would buy in this little box right here, because this just looks like a no-brainer. We know that price likes to sweep liquidity, right? Liquidity sweeps are everywhere. It is such a strong confirmation of price, and it didn't sweep it. So price is in a downtrend. You can see that, right? We have a lower high, a lower high. We have lower lows, right? We are trending in the downside. So everything points, in my opinion, that we are going to take out this liquidity. We might consolidate in this area, and then we will start making that change in character, that break of structure to the upside, that bullish trend. And a lot of you guys like the RSI. So let's have a look-see. Yep, just as I expected. We are very heavily oversold. And what does overselling mean? That means we have the opportunity to buy up. As you can see over here, right? We were oversold in these areas, and then we came down. And this entire down movement, whoopsies. This entire down movement was also this pattern right over here, right? You can see how that correlates on the RSI. So being that it's oversold, now is the buying opportunity for all XCN believers, okay? So that was my little take on XCN. If you want to see more videos on it, let me know. Ooh, price just looks so ugly on the 4 hour. Look, it's just wicking all over the place and it's not doing anything. Man, sometimes crypto price action does not look good. But yeah, anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot to me. Let me know if you want continuous Onyx breakdowns, market structure updates, and make sure you guys do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.